how does a person find their way out of indoctrination, especially as a Black person, when it comes to deconstructing indoctrination from classism, when classism is inextricably tied to racism, which is inextricably tied to capitalism, and why we even have capitalism in the first damn place? Well, I am on this journey to unpack capitalism. I've been doing that for probably like about 30-ish years. I've been working on my own mental health journey since 1980, when I was what we used to call bused, or sent to a segregated school on a yellow school bus in Philadelphia in 1979 and 1980, that school year. And that is when I realized, like, we have a big problem in this country. We have a big problem in this world, and I'm going to have a problem because of the interactions that I had with the white folks at the school, in terms of all the abuse and harassment that I took, and the impact that it had on me, and things that I didn't realize going further. And so as I'm doing this work to unleash empathy, as I'm doing this work to build a community of people who are really ready to heal, who are ready to work on their shit, who are ready to like get down to business without like the nonsense, I have to do my own work, and I have to do my own unpacking. So, okay, I've been trying to really do a lot of work on my own healing, right, from a lot of childhood trauma that is being activated because, my adult daughter is living at home. Now, we are, okay at home, right? Like nothing is bad happening, but because I have a lot of unresolved trauma from my childhood, I get triggered by things because, of course, my daughter looks like me. Now, because I have childhood trauma, some of which is unaddressed, right? I pass some bullshit on to my daughter from trauma that I had from my mother. And so I'm working that out. I hadn't necessarily been thinking about the impact of classism in how I raised my daughter, but now all of that is coming to light in a much more clear way as I'm unpacking, which is part of how you unleash empathy, and that's the key to healing.